Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a file in use shell infrastructure host error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then here on this new window you just need to write sfc space / scan now and wait until scanning is done. And what it does, simply if there is some corrupted files, they will be fixed after you restart your PC. And look after that if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up Task Manager and search under the processes. You just need to write shell infrastructure host, right click on it and task, and restart your computer. Look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here is to change default media player. This trick helped for me. You just need to click on your video, for example, or other file. Then you just need to right click on it and then select open, choose another app, and then select, for example, VLC media player or other player, and select always. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.